This 2024 Winnebago View 24 volts is a Class C RV. It is located in Huntley, Illinois, 60142 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab. This 2024 Winnebago View 24 volts is built on a Mercedes Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.